Two best friends adventuring together with you.
Greetings from Geoff and Roger.
Some people. What a jerk.
Some people.
How's it going, Raj?
Good. Welcome to the new vlog, everybody.
Welcome to the new vlog.
New and improved. If this is, if we're using this is going to be the first thing going up on the channel, huh?
If we use this footage.
Yeah, if we actually end up using it.
If we use this footage, this is going to be the first thing, yeah. We're going on an adventure. We're not going to tell you where, even though it's probably in the title of the video. And we will see you shortly.
Montage.
Just kidding. East Valley Road exit.
Is that good? Oh, that's really tight.
Yeah, that's a steep turn. That's a steep turn. Hello, big giant blue building.
Ooh!
IKEA.
Ooh! That's
You got a nice,
strangely sexual
nice
there.
sign there. Hey, oh, there's cars. We're pedestrians.
You're
but
supposed
there
to
are
cross.
cars. I know, but I'm gonna wait for you. There's so many people coming out of that place right now. Everyone's leaving IKEA.
And the man crosses.
We have 42 minutes before they close. Need to find a new TV stand. What do you think? Pretty fetching?
Okay, look good on you.
Good on me. Caution, amazing kitchen ahead. I'm just kidding. Weird. Welcome everybody to Cooking with Geoff. Here I am brushing some pickles and peppers. They're all attached.
Is that what you do?
You attach
Is that the
your
secret?
pickles and your peppers into your strainer, and then you brush them with a wire brush.
I like the pickles.
Oh, this is full of pickles. You can see. Just don't look in the top. It's an illusion.
It's a magician at work.
This is like if you have a greenhouse in your home, and you need some balls for it.
Wow. So interesting. Geoff,
Yeah.
where's the popcorn?
You might want to look it up on your... Oh,
Geoff and Roger computer.
E-prop.
Oh, there you go. It has a DVD player.
Does it really? Wow.
I know. It's fancy.
That's fancy props.
Super lightweight.
Super fancy props.
Yeah, it's almost like it's not even real.
This is what we've been looking for the whole time. It's right here. They've got to put a sign up. TV unit lack. But no, this one's too small. But there are some more around here. This is like this whole area. This TV unit. Oh, I feel like a kid in the candy store. That one's too short.
What are you, Goldilocks right now?
This one's too short. This one's too tall. Which one's just right? Actually, I kind of like this one.
What is it called?
It's called Mazjo Nanarp.
Nanarp?
Mazjo Nanarp. All right, let's go. Roger. Come on, dude.
What?
Was it a good nap?
It was great.
Power nap. Let's go. Power nap. Power nap. You're good to go. This one has doors. I don't like that one bit. Oh, here's some.
That the one you want?
No, this one's too long too. Look at this show though. This TV is 52 inches.
That's good.
By J.J. Abrams. It's like a jackpot. What's it gonna land on? Is it gonna land on green fish?
Sharks.
Yeah!
Shopping at IKEA. 21st century.
Yeah, take a photo of where it's at in the warehouse downstairs. Yeah. Nice bookshelves though. Actually, no, that's way too expensive. Where are we? Oh, here. Good thing they had the sign. There's a home organization that looks promising. All right, well, let's keep going. Maybe we can find something. Oh, there's the restaurant. It's closed. We gotta get our meatballs somewhere else.
They sell nice clothes here.
Yeah, you going to a ball or something? A little fancy for you. Nice. That looks good.
Red clothes.
The light's a little bright.
IKEA clothing store. Who knew?
Who knew? Dude, I want a bird person outfit. That's amazing. Look at all these.
Bird person.
Look at claw hand McRobot face. Look at this pretty queen collar with the ruffles. Nothing says kid eat your vegetables. Like what the hell is this? Is this like a broccoli or a asparagus? I think it might be an asparagus, but it's got a little.
It's broccoli, dude.
It's a little apron. Is it? I can't tell because it's called torva. So if any of you know Swedish and can tell me what torva means.
Ask PewDiePie.
Oh, it's broccoli. Okay. Oh, dude, Devo hats. Badass.
So where you at?
This place is like a maze. We are at aisle 75. I need to get to aisle 9.
Ooh.
Stay 43. We've been walking through here for over a month. Looking
It's
for.
funny because we got here with an hour until they closed.
Yeah, we've been here for a while. Aisle 9 and aisle 4, which are at the exact opposite end of where we entered this room. So that was smart planning on our part. Is just come straight here and just look at everything lined up in a row. That's so much smarter. Instead of trying to go through it all looking like a living room.
Then you can get a montage.
That's true.
Okay, so we need a cart. Nice. We're off.
Hold on, I gotta pull up my reference. 901-447-30. 901-447-30.
Yahtzee.
Is this it? Seems big. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's the stuff. All right. Now to get the legs. Aisle 4, bin 4. Aisle 4, bin. This out here.
Aisle 4.
This is bin
There's
3
2.
through 5. Is it on this side? Is it in another store? That's 7. Found it. I don't know if that's all. There's only 2 legs in here. This isn't 102. This is 202. Where's 102?
Oh, 202. It's right there.
No, I need 102.
Oh, you need it.
Oh, here it is. 102, 93597. These are the black ones. That's why. Figured it out. Different colors. Why would you sell 2 legs at a time? Everything here uses 4 legs. None of these things use 2 legs. Why would you ever sell 2 legs?
No idea, dude. It's not a flattering angle.
Oh, no. No, it's not. Ooh. IKEA's closed. Ooh. We gotta get out of here. It's the end of the day. The lines are packed. Dude, it's like Disneyland right now.
Only we had our speed passes.
That'd be nice.
Only we had our speed passes.
What is that called? Is it called Speed Pass?
Yeah, dude, they're speed passes.
No, it's not like, there's no name for it?
No, that's just what it was. I don't know, they might have changed it. I haven't been there a couple
But
years.
it was like a...
Express. I don't know,
Express
a
lane.
Mickey blue card, special time, fun, express.
Probably just Speed
Line.
Passes. Yeah. Now that you say it.
Yeah.
I think it's probably
Or
true.
magical passes, I don't know. Magical kingdom passes, I don't know. But then what if you're not in the magical kingdom?
That's true.
See?
What if
Saying
you're...
it all falls apart. It's just speed pass.
That's fair.
Speed pass.
I think they're called Fast Passes.
They are called
I just
Fast
thought of that.
Passes. Yeah,
Just
you're
thought of the Fast Pass.
You're right. When you're right, you're right. Ooh, they have a bistro.
Oh, I wonder if they're still... No, they're not open.
Hot dog and...
Are they? No.
Probably not.
No,
Why would they be open?
they're not.
Well, I mean...
There are people there. I don't think they're open. This is IKEA's version of impulse shopping. Oh. Thank you for your visit. We look forward to seeing you again. What? I don't know Swedish. Oh, I just need. Oh, okay. Conveniently placed in the. Alright. Which one is. Oh, I'm not supposed to do this on a hardwood floor. Oh well.